Welcome to this beginner's guide on starting with Blender 3D, the free open source software for 3D modeling, animation, and more. Let's dive in. First, head to blender.org to download the latest version. It's completely free and available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Choose your operating system, download the installer, and follow the simple setup wizard. No account needed. Launch Blender. You'll see the splash screen. Click New File to start with the default scene featuring a cube, camera, and light. Blender's interface has the 3D viewport in the center, outliner on the right for objects, and properties below. The timeline at the bottom is for animations, and the toolbar on the left has tools for editing. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming. Navigate the viewport, hold middle mouse to orbit, scroll to zoom, and shift plus middle mouse to pan. Use numpad keys, 1 for front view, 3 for side, 7 for top. Press 5 to toggle perspective orthographic. Select objects with left click. Press G to grab and move, then left click to confirm. Use X, Y, Z to constrain axes. Press R to rotate, S to scale. Again, constrain with X, Y, Z. Right-click or ESC to cancel any action. Add new objects with Shift-A. Choose Mesh, Sphere. Experiment with primitives like cones or planes. Press Tab to enter edit mode for modifying geometry. Select vertices, edges, or faces with right-click. In edit mode, select a face and press E to extrude. This builds shapes by pulling out new geometry. Add detail with Ctrl R for loop cuts. Scroll to add multiple, slide to position, and click to confirm. Go to the Properties panel, Material tab. Add a new material and change the base color for simple shading. Switch viewport shading to material preview with the icons at the top right to see colors and textures. Lighting is key. Select the default light, move it with G, add more lights via Shift-A, Light. Position the camera. Select it, then Ctrl-Alt-0 to align your view. This sets up your render angle. Render a test image with F12. In the render properties, choose Eevee for fast previews or cycles for realism. For animation basics, move an object, go to frame 1, press I location to keyframe. Advance the timeline to frame 50, move the object, and keyframe again. Press play to see it animate. To learn more, check Blender's official manual at docs.blender.org or free YouTube tutorials like Blender Guru. Save your work often with Ctrl-S. Open sample files from Blender's asset library to study. Customize Blender, drag to split panels, or go to Edit Preferences for themes and key maps. Enable add-ons in Preferences Add-ons. Search for Node Wrangler for shader efficiency. Made a mistake? Ctrl-Z undo steps. Blender has a deep undo history. Experiment without fear. Join communities like Reddit's rBlender or Blender Artists Forum for help and inspiration. Practice tip: start with a simple project, like modeling a coffee mug using extrudes and loops. Recap: download, navigate, model basics, render, and animate. Consistency is key to mastering Blender. That's your start. Download Blender today and create. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.